Hi, Dr. Motwani here. I have another case of LASIK-induced ectasia. This poor man had LASIK many years before. He ended up with that big cone, nearsighted because it's stretching it out. Lots of astigmatism, best correction 20/70. This eye wasn't doing very much for him at all, unfortunately. And we were able to get this cone looking way better. This is a month later. He's already getting 20/30 plus vision with a small amount of nearsighted correction. So we've gone from that big cone and 20/70 best corrected with a big prescription to small prescription, 20/30 improving on to 20/25, much smaller cone. This is really a win because finally after some years, he's getting use out of that eye. The other eye was actually okay. He had ectasia really only in one eye, and he's actually now, for the first time in many years, kind of using two eyes together and getting binocular vision and the depth perception and everything that goes with it.